Taji Dalek, Your Holiness.
Thank you.
Duimbe.
Kosa.
Duimbe.
Duimbe. You have to judge my face.
What can we do to cultivate more patience in this world?
I already mentioned.
Patience. No.
Patience.
Patience.
We have to investigate the nature of the problem. If the nature of the problem can overcome, then not necessarily patience, work hard. If the problem, no way to overcome, then patience, tolerance, like that. The 쇼를 써야 돼. 개주셔서 이러니 대림벽을 찾지고 개주셔서면은 대림벽을 찾으면서 나오거든요.
So this is similar to Shantideva's advice that when you confront a situation that is very difficult, analyze the situation, and if there is a solution to the problem, then don't be overwhelmed, but make effort to resolve it. But if there isn't any solution to the problem, then there is no point in being overwhelmed and sad, and just be accepted and patient.
So compassion combined with wisdom is very, very important, and patience also as well. So here, compassion, our nature, we are social animal. We all come from our mother. Even animal, like dogs or cats and many birds, because they are survival, you see, compassion from their mother is very, very essential for survival, not for religion. They have no religion. So we also say, our survival very much related with affection. So the compassion by nature we have. Now that take as a seed, then use our intelligence. See how much useful that warm-heartedness and opposite anger, hatred, jealousy, how much harmful. Analyze by intelligence. So then our basic nature, compassion, must support by human intelligence. Now this is lacking. So at very young age, we very much appreciate mother's affection, mother's love. Eventually when we join our school, and then gradually grown up in a society, materialistic society, with materialistic culture, then you see the basic or the good quality then become dormant. Make money, not much relevant. So therefore, you see, our sort of certain positive, useful emotions must combine with our intelligence. So my own experience, see, meditation, so single-pointed meditation, or even altruism, not directly sort of opposing these sort of destructive emotions. Analytical meditation, analyze. Analytical meditation is really most powerful weapon against these destructive emotions. That much I can tell you through my own experience. So my case, I am Buddhist. So I use Buddhist sort of thinking approach, Buddhist philosophy. I think Christian or those who theistic religion, I think you think we all creation of God, one source. God, nobody say God full anger. No, God infinite love. So we all created by such wonderful creator. And then that one way, you see, give us more sort of enthusiasm, practice love. Because God, almost like our Father, is infinite love. Then another thing, you see, we are tiny creature of God. The whole galaxy is created by God. We are just one tiny. So thinking that line, you see, it's very, very helpful to reduce I, the arrogance.
Self-importance.
Oh. So the Buddhists, you see, use no independent self, anathema theory. That's also used to reduce their self-centered arrogance. The other traditions who believe Creator, you can think that way. So these use our intelligence. Okay.
Dujichen.
You're Tibetan?
I'm married to a Kampa.
Oh, then your husband is your teacher
Yes.
to teach you Tibetan.
Yes, as you know, with Kampas, we need plenty of patience.
the patience karo